I think me and the Nexus have great qualities of a leader.
At the bottom of your cup is a lock combination to your lockbox. You're going to unlock your lockbox. Inside your lockbox is a puzzle. The first team to solve the puzzle is safe from elimination. Okay? You cannot, when you run up here, you have to take one test tube at a time. You cannot grab a whole raft.
What?
That's new.
Any questions about the rules of the competition?
No.
Action. Go, 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 go.
Oh, you want to drop that?
Samantha.
Go, go, go. Okay, go, get it, go.
You see? Take your hair out of there, bro.
Where is it?
Bro, what? We cannot see
Put your
this,
flash.
bro.
We
Put your
cannot see
flashlight.
this.
I can see it. I got good eye. It's... Bro, stop moving it. It's...
Bro, what?
This is not fair.
Bro,
There's
what?
no one else. Where's your
Yo,
phone?
you can't see it.
Oh.
I got an angle. I can see it. The last number is 28. Last number is 28.
Where's yours?
Yeah, I put it at max. Put it at max. How did it already get
Bro, we can't.
Done.
They got. We can't see it, bro.
We can't see that.
They got more water in theirs than ours.
Next week, guys, you're going to be facing off against a team of 5, okay? You're going to be one member down. How do you make your team stronger from here?
And get rid of our weakest link.
Who is the weakest link?
It's so hard to tell now. Like it's just started. I don't think we could.
Do you have a team leader?
Not really. I think we all kind of distributed.
In a future challenge, who do you think is going to step forward and lead the team?
I think me and the Nexus have great qualities of a leader.
I think me and the Nexus have great qualities of a leader.
I could agree with that.
Our chemistry is beyond exemplary.
Who feels completely safe from the vote?
I feel like for future challenges, I have what it takes to be the winner, and I hope I can guide my team to victory, as we are a team right now. This is a team game right now. It'll eventually come down to individuals, and I'm gonna win. think me and the Nexus have great qualities of a leader.
All right, the votes have been tallied. The person voted out with the most votes will be asked to leave the lab immediately. I'm going to read the votes. First vote. Kevin. Denexus.
I'm hurt.
Richard. Richard.
Dang. What was the last one?
First person voted out of Chemistry Komplex. Richard. Richard, take a moment and say your goodbyes.
Stupid people.
Be safe.
Love you, bro.
How do you feel that you got eliminated from the challenge?
It's not great. 3 people voted me off. It should have been Kevin. Kevin didn't do nothing.